The AstroAI mini fridge is a compact and versatile cooling solution designed to meet the needs of individuals seeking a small, portable refrigerator for a variety of uses. This 4-liter capacity unit is capable of storing up to 6 standard 12-ounce cans or an assortment of snacks, skincare products, medicines, and other perishables. Its compact dimensions and lightweight build make it ideal for bedrooms, offices, dorm rooms, cars, and travel scenarios. From a design perspective, the AstroAI mini fridge presents a sleek, modern aesthetic with a sturdy plastic exterior that feels durable and well constructed. The black finish and minimalist design allow it to blend seamlessly into different environments without drawing undue attention. A convenient handle on top enhances its portability, making it easy to carry from one location to another, whether it is used at home or on the road. The interior of the fridge includes a removable wire shelf which adds flexibility in storage arrangements. This shelf allows users to separate smaller items or accommodate taller containers by removing it. Although the fridge's capacity is limited and not suitable for large quantities of food or beverages, it is perfectly suited for personal use, especially in confined spaces where a full-size refrigerator would be impractical. Cooling performance is achieved through thermoelectric technology, which offers efficient and quiet operation. The fridge can lower its internal temperature to approximately 32 degrees Fahrenheit below the ambient temperature, though it cannot freeze items. This cooling range is sufficient for keeping beverages chilled and preserving snacks, skincare products, or medicines that require refrigeration. The unit also features a warming function, which is useful for maintaining food at a warm temperature during travel or office use. One of the key advantages of this mini fridge is its energy efficiency. It consumes minimal power, making it cost-effective to run continuously without significant impact on electricity bills. The noise level is very low, with only a faint hum audible, which is generally unobtrusive in quiet environments such as bedrooms or offices. However, some users with heightened sensory sensitivity may find the sound noticeable when trying to sleep. Versatility is a standout feature of the AstroAI mini fridge. It comes equipped with both AC and DC power adapters, enabling it to be powered from a standard home outlet or a 12-volt car power supply. This dual power capability makes it an excellent companion for road trips, camping, boating, or any situation where refrigeration is needed away from traditional power sources. Users are advised to operate the fridge in a vehicle only when the engine is running to avoid draining the car battery. In terms of usability, the fridge requires some care to maintain optimal performance. Users should avoid frequently opening the door or leaving it open for extended periods, as this can reduce cooling efficiency. Adequate ventilation around the unit is necessary. At least 2 inches of clearance on all sides is recommended to allow proper heat dissipation. Additionally, placing hot food directly inside the fridge is discouraged to prevent condensation buildup and maintain temperature stability. Many users have praised the AstroAI mini fridge for its reliability and convenience. One reviewer recounted using the fridge during a long 4,000-mile road trip to keep pet medication cold, as well as sodas and snacks chilled. The fridge performed admirably throughout the journey, maintaining cool temperatures even when unplugged for short periods. After the trip, it continued to serve as a useful appliance for keeping drinks cold in a bedroom setting, operating quietly and efficiently over an extended period. Another common use case is for storing skincare and cosmetic products that benefit from refrigeration. The compact size allows placement on a nightstand or vanity without occupying much space. Users have noted the quiet operation, sometimes checking to confirm it is running due to its low noise profile. The inclusion of the removable shelf is appreciated for organizing various items inside. Despite its many strengths, the fridge does have some limitations. Its small capacity means it is not suitable for families or those needing to store large quantities of food or beverages. Cooling performance depends on ambient temperature, so in very hot environments, the fridge may struggle to maintain the lowest temperature. It is also not designed to freeze items, which limits its use for certain perishables. Some users have mentioned that the fridge is louder than expected, which could be a concern for those sensitive to background noise. While the noise level is generally low and not disruptive during normal activities, it may be noticeable in very quiet settings or when trying to sleep. Maintenance involves occasional wiping of condensation that can accumulate inside, typically a small amount that is easy to manage. Cleaning the rear ventilation area is also recommended to ensure efficient heat dissipation and sustained cooling performance. Overall, the AstroAI mini fridge offers a practical, stylish, and portable refrigeration option for individuals seeking a compact cooling solution. Its combination of solid build quality, efficient thermoelectric cooling, quiet operation, and dual power options make it highly suitable for students, office workers, travelers, and anyone needing a reliable mini-fridge for personal use. While it has some constraints in capacity and cooling power, it excels in convenience and versatility, making it a worthwhile investment for those with specific cooling needs in small spaces. If you own this mini-fridge, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is available in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for interested viewers.